My name is Stuart Chasen. I'm a training specialist with extensive experience using StorLogix and teaching installers and site managers how to program and use StorLogix. My goal is to make sure you can use all the features of StorLogix, achieving the most benefit for you and for your site. At the end of this 15-minute course, I will give you my contact information so you can schedule a time for additional training that you may need. Within this course, you can move forward or backward or pause the course using the buttons at the bottom left of your screen. Using the Reports function in StorLogix can help you in many ways. You can improve your productivity in site operations, increase site security by tracking specific site events, and reduce your guesswork about what's occurring on your site. With these benefits in mind, this online course will teach you how to start the StorLogix report software, select the report you want, modify your reports using the toolbar in the Reports function, filter your reports for specific information, export your reports to save them as a PDF file, and customize your report by adding your site or company logo. Let's begin by reviewing how to start the StorLogix Reports software. Starting from any screen in StorLogix, click on the Reports drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu at the top of your screen, click on Launch Reports. The Reports window will open. The Reports function has a unique feature. Reports opens in a separate window so you can move back and forth between other programs, including StorLogix. This is helpful for busy site managers who need to move back and forth among several tasks. You may be taking payments, using your accounting program, and answering questions on the phone while you are creating reports. The separate window enables you to do all these things without having to restart your Reports software each time you change tasks. Use the Minimize and Maximize buttons at the top right of your screen to change the size of the Reports window. The Maximize button expands the Reports function window to full screen, as shown here. Now that the Reports window is displaying as a full screen, you're ready to select the report you want to create. First, select the report using the drop-down menu. If necessary, using the scroll bar at the right of the drop-down menu, scroll down to view additional reports that you can create. In this example, I've selected the Holidays report. On the right of the Report function header, click on Run Report. The Report software will collect the necessary information from StorLogix and display your created report in the window. Once you have created your complete report, you can modify your report using the toolbar in the Reports function. This will help you customize your report for easier use. The toolbar is located in the Reports function, just above the Reports window. On the left of your created report is a table of contents that will enable you to move quickly from page to page. This example report only has one page. Reports with multiple pages will show thumbnails of each report on the left. Clicking on each thumbnail will take you directly to the page you've selected. Clicking on the small X at the top of this sidebar will close the table of contents, so your report will show in the full window. Without the table of contents, you can see more information in your report without having to use the scroll bars at the bottom and right side of your report. Clicking on the icon at the far left of the toolbar will return the sidebar table of contents. Using this icon, you can open and close the table of contents, so it will display only when you need it. Using the Next Page icons, you can move quickly forward and backward in your report one page at a time. Use these buttons to scan pages for the information you want. Click on the Print icon to print the report. The Print icon will print the entire report. Remember, some reports may be 15 or 20 pages or longer. In a few minutes, I'll show you how to copy a single page, so you can save or print only the specific information you need. Click on the binocular icon to open a dialog box that you can use to search for specific information. This is an important feature that will help you find specific information when the report contains many pages, but you only need a few specific items. I've typed the word holiday, and the first instance is shown. Each instance of the search term will be displayed as a colored highlight. Click Find Next to locate the next occurrence of the item you're searching for. You can search for unit names, unit numbers, tenant names, event dates, or event times using the Find function. When you have found the information you want on a specific page, close the Find dialog box and click the Copy icon. This will copy all the information in the page you are viewing. You can then open WordPad, Microsoft Word, or some other word processor to paste the information into a document. The formatting in the word processor document will change, but all of your information from this page will be available to you for printing. This will help you avoid printing an entire report when you only want a few specific items. Click on the icon next to the Copy feature to show multiple pages in the main report window. In this example, I've selected 4 pages per screen. You may display from 1 up to 6 pages. To return to the single page view, click on the icon to the left of the multiple page view icon. If you want to mark information or make comments about specific items while reviewing your report, use the Annotating function. Annotations will mark the view for better analysis and reminders while you're viewing reports in the StorLogix viewer. These can be helpful when you're searching for items in a large report. Annotations will not print or export with the file. They only show on the screen and are available to you while you're viewing your selected report. To mark an item or make a comment, choose the type of marking you want to add to the page: some text, an arrow, a text balloon, or a circle. In this example, I'm selecting the text balloon. Click on the item you want and drag the item to a location on the page. Once created, you can move your mark by clicking and dragging it to another location. When you let go of the mouse button, the marking you selected will appear. Right-click on the marking and choose Properties to add text or modify other items. After you selected Properties, the Properties box will appear and you can change the color, the font of text, or add text. In this example, I'm going to add text to the box to highlight the time schedule error that I found in this report. This report shows an error. The schedule for Remembrance Day should be Holidays All. I've made a note to remind myself of the error while I do some other work. I also enlarged the text balloon and moved it to the location I wanted by clicking and dragging the object with my mouse. Another helpful item on the toolbar is the Zoom feature. To get a better view of specific information in the report, select Zoom In from the toolbar. You can also enter a percentage of zoom to enlarge or reduce the size of your report. Now that you know how to navigate within a report you've created, I want to talk to you about how you can filter your report by date and time. This will help reduce the size of some reports and help you create a report specific to your needs. I selected and created a new report called Alarm Events by Date. This report shows specific events within a range of dates. First, select the report you want that provides the option for filtering by date. Then select the dates and times you want to use as a filter. After entering your report information, click on Run Report. Notice at the top right of the screen you can select to sort the report by oldest to first. This option will put the oldest events at the top of your report. Check this box before you click Run the Report. If you select this option after you've created the report, just click Run Report again and you'll recreate the report with your new selection. When this box is not checked, your report will automatically sort with the most recent events at the top. After creating and filtering your report, if you want to save the entire report, you can export it from the StorLogix report function as a PDF file. The export function allows you to save the entire report on your computer in a location of your choice. To export your created report, click on the Export drop-down menu at the top of your window and choose PDF Document. A dialog box will open, allowing you to choose a location to save the file. If you're uncertain of the location, it's a good idea to save the file to your computer desktop. You can move the file to a different location later. Some sites like to customize their reports with their company or site logo. It's simple to make this change, and your logo will display in all future reports. Click on the File drop-down menu at the top left of the window. Then select Change Report Logo. A dialog box will appear showing the current logo. Click on the Open button to select the image you want to use as the logo for your report. From the Open Image File dialog box, select the image file you want to use. StorLogix reports can use bitmap, JPEG, and GIF files. Most images will be in one of these three formats. When you've selected your image from the main window, click Open in the lower right of the dialog box. Click the Save button. Close the StorLogix report software and reopen. When you've done this, your new logo will appear on all your reports in the future. I've covered quite a bit of ground while talking about the StorLogix reports function. Let's review what you've learned. Using the reports function, you can now start the StorLogix report software, select a report. You can modify and annotate the report using the toolbar. You can use report filters to create a customized report, export a selected report for use later, and you can change the logo that displays on your report. On the same web page where you found this course, there's a reference document that details each StorLogix report. Use this reference to choose the reports that will be of most benefit to you. To make sure you make the most of this session, practice using the reports function. Do this immediately after we're finished to make sure you remember all that you've learned. If you've forgotten something, that's not a problem. Simply return to this course for a review. It's always available to you as many times as you want to use it. Are there other things you need help with? Our technical support hotline can help you with specific problems. I can help you with any training needs you may have. My contact information and the telephone number for our technical support agents is listed here on the screen. This is the end of the course. Thank you for taking some time to learn more about how StorLogix can be a benefit to you. It's our goal at PTI Security Systems to provide you with the systems and the solutions to meet your needs. The reports function in StorLogix is just one example of how we're meeting our goal. If I can be of help meeting the training needs of you or your repair technicians or your site managers, please contact me. I'm always glad to help. Thank you.